Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can calculate basic equations of mathematics using Excel. So let's say we have a variable, say I name it x, and x has number of values like 1, 2, 3. So in order to save time, what I can do is I can select these values and I can drag this down to the number of values I want to add. Let's say I add to number 12. The good thing about Excel is it can automatically follow the sequence in which you enter your values. For example, I'm going to enter 2, 4, 6. As you can see, these values are with an interval of 2. So what I can do, I can just select them and I can drag them down, and see I have the values down like this. I'm going to say it like say y has the following values, and there's an equation in which we want to calculate something. Z is a function of x and y, and it has the following equation: 2 multiplied by x and plus 3 multiplied by y. That is the equation for Z. You can even increase the width of your cell by dragging this like this, or you can decrease it by dragging this backwards. Now I have to write the equation in this cell for me to calculate the value of Z. Put an equal sign here, and then you have to write the equation: 2 multiplied by, select the cell in which the values of x are present, this one B3, plus 3 multiplied by y, and at the end you have to press enter, and you can see it has given me the value 8. As you can multiply them, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, so 6 plus 2 is 8. Now what I can do is I can just drag this down like this, and you can see it has automatically collected the values for me. Let's see another example. A is another variable having the following equation. The equation contains z divided by 2. Enter is equal to, select the cell, divided by 2, enter, and drag this down. See, it's very easy to follow, and you can save your time in doing long calculations, and this can really helpful for you in when you're doing a bunch of work using Excel. So this is all for today. See you later next time. Bye.